So I'm going to give you a tour of our loop, Palmetto Loop.
Golfers on my side.
See, it was dark again, but it's still flashing. I guess it's still recording, I guess. But why can't you see it?
I don't know. Could you see before?
It might have to, yeah, for a second, then it shuts it off, but it's still flashing red, so I'm assuming it's still recording.
Oh, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Here's the comfort
Here's
station.
the comfort station. There's the women. There's a washer and dryer. All the rules. No dogs allowed. Here's a bathroom one. There's a shower, family. Here's a Coca-Cola machine. Here's some ends. No dogs allowed, no smoking. And you've got this hustle, very, very clean. There's one with a shower. You got the seat. You got a handicap room with a shower. Very nice. Very clean seat. Very, very nice. Very nice. Hi. Yeah, Florida state parks are very tidy and clean. There's a pop-up. They have a lot of foliage between their sites in Florida State Park, for most part. And we're looping in my truck. There's our loop. 71, very nice. A lot of.
That would be a nice one with all that shade.
Yeah, that's a nice one. 72 is nice too. They're all really pretty nice.
Yeah. There was one down here that's empty.
Hello.
Hi.
Did you see it?
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Hopefully she don't watch this and hear that I said that. I'll have to edit that out. 74.
Oh, the red micro mini left this morning.
75. 77. 78. As you can see, the other even numbers are on the inside, the odd numbers on the outside.
And the inside are pull-throughs.
The insides are pull-throughs, but they usually get snapped up really quick. There's a Jayco Hummingbird, I think it's called.
It's an Artman.
Artman wannabe, 83.
Whoops.
85. Was somebody backing up?
Yeah.
'86. 87. $4.89. You got the dumpsters right here. Got recycling here. Here's a Ranger's truck. He's going to save the alligator. There's another site across over there. There's 90. Little casita. That's a nice one, but you're on the main drag though. But I mean, you're at a state park campground. What's really going to happen on the main drag? Here's us driving through. Okay, he's going to drive through the other loop. What's the name of that loop? That's right there. Old Prairie Camping. I've stayed in this loop before. There's no full hookups in this loop. Yeah. No modern electricity. The dumpster. They don't have as much foliage between the coverage. Trees and bushes. Hi, sir. Hi. Oh, looky, the little tab.
It's teeny. Comfort station.
Got its own comfort station. This is more rugged, you know, more rustic. Your pads are dirt, where ours is gravel. Oh, there's a van. Truck camper. Tab with a little FJ Cruiser. Hope this is recording. If it is, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And thanks to all of my subscribers. If you are a new person viewing this, please subscribe below and share and give me a thumbs up. Look at the bugs on the front of that one. You should even have some up on the fifth wheels too, and the trailers if they stick up.
Oh yeah, I saw some on the fifth wheel. Hoping on it.
I think this was like $28 a night plus tax, if I remember correctly. So not bad for full hookups, you know. Yeah. Alright, this is a memorial, Myakka River State Park Memorial. So I'll sit here and you guys can pause this and read it. Now I'm doing this with my new GoPro Hero 7, so this is my first video with it, so I hope it turns out okay. Right across the street is a building. So let's get a selfie shot. Hi YouTube, it's Fred, Barefoot Adventures. Alright, hope I didn't scare anybody. Alright, You guys make sure you look both ways. No crossing the street without it. Gotta be safe. Check out this building here. This looks like somewhere where they can cook and stuff. Yeah, looks like a place where they can meet and cook. That's pretty cool. Hope it ain't too dark in here. There's a fireplace. The rafters. It's pretty cool, huh? Wow, this is nice. You can get in out of the shade, out of the cold or the rain in here. Start a little fire if they let you. You can cook some marshmallows, some s'mores. You can turn back the clock and be little kids all over again. How cool is that? Right?